Today, I am reviewing the Denon AVR-X2700H 8K Ultra HD 7.2 channel receiver. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Denon AVR-X2700H 8K Ultra HD 7.2 channel AV receiver is a powerhouse designed to elevate your home entertainment experience to a whole new level of immersion and clarity. Whether you're a gamer, movie buff, music lover, or someone who demands the best from their home theater setup, this receiver delivers exceptional sound and stunning visuals that bring every scene and note to life. At the heart of the AVR-X2700H is advanced 3D audio technology, including Dolby Atmos Height Virtualization and DTS Virtual, which create a truly immersive surround sound environment. This means you don't just hear the sound. You feel like you're inside it, with sound coming from all directions, including overhead, enhancing everything from blockbuster movies to live concerts and atmospheric game worlds. The video performance is equally impressive, supporting full 8K per 60Hz and 4K per 120Hz pass-through, ensuring you get the sharpest, clearest picture possible. Advanced video processing, dynamic HDR, and HDR10+ support delivers spectacular contrast, vivid colors, and lifelike clarity, making every frame pop on your screen. Gamers will especially appreciate the next-gen gaming features built into this receiver. With support for variable refresh rate, quick frame transport, and Auto Low Latency Mode, the AVR-X2700H helps eliminate lag and frame tearing, so your gameplay is smooth, responsive, and visually stunning. Whether you're battling in fast-paced shooters or exploring vast open worlds, this receiver ensures your gaming experience is uninterrupted and immersive. Connectivity options are abundant and versatile, with 8 HDMI ports, including 6 inputs and 2 outputs, all supporting HDCP 2.3 for copy protection, so you can connect all your devices, TVs, Blu-ray players, turntables, and more with ease. There's also a dedicated phono input for vinyl enthusiasts, USB and digital inputs, and extensive network support, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Apple AirPlay 2. Thanks to the HEOS multi-room wireless technology, you can extend your music across your entire home, syncing compatible Denon home speakers to fill every room with your favorite playlists from Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn, and many other streaming services. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, with full compatibility for Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, allowing you to adjust volume, change inputs, or control playback hands-free. This seamless integration with popular smart home systems means you can even monitor and control your receiver remotely. Setting up the AVR-X2700H is straightforward thanks to the award-winning on-screen setup assistant that guides you step-by-step, while Audyssey MultEQ XT calibration automatically tunes your speakers to your room's acoustics for the optimal listening experience. This receiver handles powerful 95 watts per channel into 7 channels, providing rich, dynamic sound capable of filling any room, from cozy living rooms to dedicated home theaters. While it doesn't support pass-through from all 4K per 120Hz media sources, its vast feature set, high-quality build, and immersive sound and video capabilities make it a compelling choice for anyone wanting to upgrade their entertainment setup to the latest standards in 3D audio and 8K video. Overall, the Denon AVR-X2700H offers a perfect blend of power, precision, and future-proof technology wrapped in a user-friendly package. Whether you want to enjoy crystal-clear music, lose yourself in a cinematic experience, or dominate in next-gen gaming with ultra-low latency and stunning visuals, this receiver has you covered. It's a true centerpiece for any modern home theater system, designed to bring your entertainment to life with style, sophistication, and unmatched performance.